If you are searching for data, like for instance a specific customer or a specific item, you should of course not use tell me. Tell me is used for pages and reports and objects, let's say, while we are now looking for data. So if you want to find data, don't use tell me, but go to the list of the subject that you are looking for. So for instance, if you're looking for customer, a specific customer record, then you go to the customer list. If you're looking for a vendor record, you go to the vendor list. If you are looking for an item record, you will go to the item list. And here on that list page, there is a search function. And that is the function that is going to search for data. So in this case, let's assume that we are searching for a swivel chair. Then you see just by typing in swi, then the search engine is going to start and look, for instance, for a specific swivel chair. Yeah? You can use a value coming out of the description field, but you can also use in the same way, for instance, a value that is recognized to come from the number field, right? So you see here that this search function can search over more than one field with the value that you're typing in, and you will get the results that resemble the most to what you're looking for. So if you're searching for specific data, go to the list and use the search function. You can do that on any list in the system. So it's available for vendors, but you will also have it for customers. You will have it for items. You will find it everywhere. Sorting and selecting information works quite easily or convenient. So let's have a look how this goes. When we click on, for instance, the customer list, then you see that if you click down the menu here, you can influence the sorting, ascending or descending by clicking on the menu and then changing it. But more easily is when you click on the field itself. So you can see that you can adjust the sorting in this way. So you can sort by the field numbering, but you can also sort by, for instance, the name field. You can sort by the balance, for instance. You can sort by the balance due. So you can sort on all these fields that are available. So that's how sorting works. Let's have a look how selecting works. Well, if you want to select, the easiest way is to click select more and then to start check marking which records you want to select. So in this way, you can sort and you can select in a very convenient manner.